not sure when Kickoff what to do when Kickoff say your number is already taken. But if this was to happen to me, I would try to see if I can use another family member number. If somebody already taken a number, I would email them and ask, well, who took my number? And maybe you signed up in the past, didn't know it. I'm not sure. Or you can also get one of those text now phone numbers and use that and see if that can work as verification so that you can get that Kickoff account. And if your credit score is very, very low, you really do want to get that Kickoff account because it can really help you build your credit. But definitely you want to make sure that you contact Kickoff because they have Kickoff support. Now, let me see. This was something we was previously talking about. Let me see. So this is the Kickoff support. Let me see if they have it on here. Phone number taken. No. They don't have anything on there about phone number being taken. You can click right here, submit a ticket. That's only if you have an account number, but their email address is support@kickoff.com. You can always reach out to them. Let me see if we can put support on here. Here it is right here. So support@kickoff.com. You can contact them that way. If you guys have their card with them, then you guys can call them because they do have a number that you guys can call. But I would try to just get that situated. Like I said, if your credit score is really low, then you really want that Kickoff account because it's going